Kentucky, go Burr! Hello? There we go.
A civil authority has issued a required monthly test for the following counties/areas. Kentucky at 2:50 p.m. on October 22nd, 2020, effective until 3:05 p.m. Message from Kayao. This is a coordinated monthly test of the Kentucky Emergency Alert System in cooperation with federal, state, and local officials. Broadcasters are testing equipment to ensure that you may be quickly warned in the event of an emergency. This has been the required monthly test of the EAS network. No action is needed. This is only a test.
Well, Kentucky went Burr.